Look at his eye. Hey, how can I forget her name? If your Christmas sweater is not ugly, then you got it wrong. There's nothing, I mean, anyways, I was watching a movie before and Act Like a Lady, Think Like a Man. Guys, these are my two favorite couples. Oh my god, how can I forget her name? Tara J. Epstein, and I know this guy's name is Michael something, but this man is like, he has to have won sexiest man alive at one point or the other, because look at his eyes. Hey, this man. Okay. Anyways, okay. So, guys, this is the tree. Under the mistletoe. As we were saying, guys, so this is Vlogmas. I don't want to give it a year, because I just want my content on YouTube to be timeless. So this is Vlogmas, guys, and this is the very first time attempting Vlogmas at all, and I'm doing it on YouTube. I'm so grateful for the grace to be able to do it. I've always been a fan of Christmas. I'm no Grinch, even though I'm wearing the color for Grinch, because people wear red for Christmas. People prefer like red, white for Christmas. But I'm wearing a very ugly Christmas sweater, and if your Christmas sweater is not ugly, then you're having it wrong. Nothing. I mean, Azal now. Really? Why are you wearing a cute Christmas sweater? It has to be ugly. Look at mine now. Very ugly. Okay, so let's set up the Christmas tree. So the bag that my Christmas tree is in, I got it online, and this bag is so huge because my Christmas tree is actually big. So for it to get everything in, then you know that the bag is good. This is the top of the tree. Oh my god, this tree has been in here for a whole year. Guys, it's really the most beautiful time of the year, because tell me why this tree is looking so beautiful. Before I put this one, I actually want to spread out the tree's branches very well. So this is at the top of the tree. The tree is actually very... Hey, look, we're tweening! We're tweening! Look at that! We're tweening! Guys, my plans this year was to put up my tree at least the last week of November, but been so busy. I just want to spread out this tree so you guys can see how huge the tree actually is. The tree is out for the season, because how else will you be feeling this Christmas magic if you don't even have a Christmas tree, right? I just love the fact that even if I get to travel, when I get back home, I'm greeted with this Christmas feeling you get. So guys, I'm done spreading out the tree. That's like 80% of the work, and it was so stressful. Anyways, I want to show you guys all the stuff I'll be decorating the tree with. So we have like a deer. It's not a deer, don't mind me. We have stuff like this. Christmas cap. It's bigger than my head. Oh, look at this cute little box. This cute little bells. Oh, and look at this bow. This bow is for the top of the tree. And the star. Jingle, 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 jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. I told you.